Why does your scanner show the P0308 engine code? What does it mean? P0308 is a diagnostic trouble code for cylinder 8, misfire detected. The P0308 engine code indicate the vehicle's computer has detected that the air-fuel mixture in cylinder number 8 is not igniting properly, which causes a loss of engine power and damages efficiency. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty ignition coil, worn or damaged spark plugs, defective fuel injector, wiring and connection issues, low cylinder compression. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, Chevrolet, Dodge, Audi, and Toyota. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.